In this video, I would like to explain about how to form a linear equation for the given information and how to draw a graph for that linear equation. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The problem is the parking charges of a car in Hyderabad railway station for first 2 hours. For first 2 hours is rupees 50 and rupees 10 for each subsequent hour. So parking charges in a railway station for the first 2 hours is fixed, that is rupees 50, and the next for each hour rupees 10. Write down an equation and draw the graph. Find the following charges from the graph. Solution. The parking charge for first 2 hours is rupees 50. This is fixed. That is rupees 50. And subsequent charge for next hours, each hour. So the charge for each subsequent hour means continuation hours, that is given rupees 10. By this information, let the number of hours parked, that is equals to x hours. Want the charge, let total charge for parking let this is as rupees y. So by this given information, come to the conclusion, total amount is y, that is equals to y. Total hours as x. In this x, for first 2 hours charge, is rupees 50. 2 hours. First 2 hours charge is rupees 50. Remaining hours means out of x already 2 hours are over. So remaining hours are x minus 2 hours are there. For this x minus 2 hours, each hour charge is rupees 10. So x minus 2 into 10. So finally we conclude that by this observation, y is equals to 50 plus, for first 2 hours charge 50, and remaining out of x minus 2 hours. X minus 2 hours for each hour charge is 10 rupees. So this is the equation. Simplify it. 50 plus 10 into x, 10x, minus into plus minus, 2 tens are 20. So finally y is equals to, simplify 50 minus 20, 30. So 10x plus 30. So this is the final equation. Y is equals to 10x plus 30. So for these values, you take some points x, y, x comma y. Already in this question, we have to find 3 hours and we have to find for 6 hours. So don't take these values. It is better to take other values out of 3, 6. So I preferred 4 hours. Why? Because we observing this graph, we have to find these answers, then it will be interesting. So that I preferred to take another values out of 3 and 6. So I preferred 4 and 7. If substitute 4 in the x place, so 10 4s are 40, 40 plus 30 is equals to 70. So point is 4 comma 70. X is equals to 7. In this equation substitute x is equals to 7. 10 7s are 70. 70 plus 30 is equals to 100. So 7 comma 100. Take these points. Let us go to draw the graph. The points are on x-axis 4, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this, very small values. So take on x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit, and on y values are 70, 100, so 50, 10. So these are the values. So it is better to take 1 centimeter as 10 units on the y-axis. So finally scale is take on x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter as 10 units, and the parking hours, number of hours parking and peak charges are never be negative. So take the x-axis and y-axis as corners. So leave 3 or 4 lines from down, take x-axis and dark line. X dash. Y dash. Take 1 centimeter as 1 unit on the x-axis, take 1 centimeter as 10 units on the y-axis. So take like this, x-axis represents parking hours, y-axis represents parking charge. So from this graph, first point is 4 comma 70. So keep 4 comma 70 on x-axis 4, y 70. So this is 4 and 70. So look at this point. This point represents 4 comma 70. And second point is 7 comma 100. On x-axis 7, on y-axis 100. The common point is 7 comma 100. Through these 2 points, draw a graph. So this line represents y is equals to 10x plus 30. This represents 4 comma 70. This point 7 comma 100. The graph is finished, but some questions are asked. From the graph, for 3 hours, find the following charges for 3 hours. So for 3 hours means for 3 hours, so take dotted lines from 3 on x-axis to this line and draw a perpendicular from this point on the graph to y-axis. By observing the graph, for 3 hours parking, the parking charge is rupees 60. That is the first one answer. For 3 hours, the parking charge is rupees 60. Second one is for 6 hours. For 6 hours, so on x-axis 6 and take dotted lines to the graph, that means line. At this point, draw a perpendicular line to the dotted lines. So for 6 hours, the parking charge is 90 rupees. Second one, for 6 hours, the parking charge is rupees 90. Third question is, how many hours did Rekha park her car if she paid rupees 80 as parking charges? So let us observe this parking charge is 80 rupees. So parking charge is 80 rupees, this one. Draw a dotted lines to the graph. And draw a perpendicular line to this line. So when she paid 80 rupees, the number of parking hours parked as 5 hours. So third one answer is 5 hours. Next, take the scale on the graph. On x-axis 1 cm as 1 unit, on y-axis 1 cm as 10 units. So this is the required solution. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.